Hello everyone, Joe Follico for Insignia Futures and Options. In today's quick video, I'm going to show how to add an option chain to the InsigniaTrader Pro trading platform. Please keep in mind you do need to have the pro level of the platform to get option chains. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is to create a new tab for the option chain because you don't want to have all these strike prices mixed in with your other symbols. So first thing to do is click this plus sign here to create a new tab. And when you do that, it'll just be named tab 7 in this case here, but you could rename it and you could call it whatever you like. For this example, we'll just call it options. Next step, come over here to the add symbol field and type in the root symbol of the futures contract you'd like to get options on. So for this example, let's use the E-mini NASDAQ. So I'll start typing NQ, and as you can see, this window here below will start to populate. And let's just work with the first one here, the September contract. You'll see here there's an option chain choice. Click on that. This next window here is going to give you all of the available options to trade, and there's going to be several for this contract. You'll see right here that it's coming in, the initial one it's presenting is the Monday weekly for the August contract in this example. But you'll see here there's a little triangle drop down. Click on that, and then you could go through the list and choose whatever time period you're looking for. So again, you have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday weeklies. You have end of month, continues on for different dates here, and so on. So again, just for this example, we're going to stay with the one that initially popped up, the Monday weekly. It's going to be set to show calls and puts near the money. Again, you could change this. So let's say you only want to see puts. You could uncheck calls. And let's say you want to go farther out in time. So uncheck near money. And now you're going to have a whole list. If you choose select all, it will choose every available strike price. As you can see here at the bottom, 203 strike prices are available, and if you click add, they'll all get added to the window above. In this example, let's not add all 200 of those, so you could just scroll through the list and choose ones that you would like. If you don't want to add all of them, you certainly can though. So I'll just choose a few here just to make it easier. Once I'm done choosing the strike prices, I do click the add button, and then that'll populate into the new quote tab you created. Depending on how you have your quote board set up, you may need to stretch this out here so you could see the full symbol of the strike price. And keep in mind that the strike price itself is contained within the symbol. So for this one here, as you could see, the P represents that it's a put. If this was a call, that would be a C. But in this example, this is the 18,600 put for the Monday weekly. This is the full symbol. And then if you want to trade this, click buy or sell, depending on what your strategy is. And that's all you need to do to bring up an option chain and trade it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or feel free to contact our offices. We'll be happy to assist you. And happy trading.